Hello everyone. Today, when the world observes Celebrate Bisexuality Day, me, Rotaractor Madhu Singh from Rotaract Club of Linktown, Airoli, on behalf of my club, in collaboration with the Unit and various other organizations and Rotaract clubs, presents in front of you a video that aims towards spreading awareness towards bisexuality and try our level best to make them feel inclusive in our society. I'll start with breaking a very sick stereotype prevailing in a society that bisexuality is a disease, can be cured through a treatment. Let me correct you right here. Bisexuality cannot be cured and it need not be cured because it is not a disease. It is just a choice, a basic choice every human being has to choose whom he or she wishes to belong. Just like being an heterosexual girl, I have complete right to choose a guy I wanna love. Just like any guy has a right to choose any other girl to love, or any guy has right to choose any other guy to love, and any girl has right to choose any other girl to love. Similarly, a bisexual has complete right to choose either a girl or a guy he or she wishes to love. That is completely his or her choice, without being judged by the society.
Bisexuality is not a phase but a sexual identity in itself. It's known that bisexuals are treated with spite in the heterosexual community and like an outcast in the LGBTQ community for not being entirely homosexual. One of the biggest fears of this community is coming out to their parents or relatives as they do not really acknowledge the idea of homosexuality. Therefore, bisexuals require to come out of the closet and speak up. For this, we need to hear and talk with them, ask questions, be honest, but most importantly, make them feel normal and equal and therefore more inclusive.
Ally, a typically straight and or cis person who supports the members of the LGBTQI community. Cis or cisgender is someone whose gender identity is the same as the sex they were assigned at birth. I believe that if allies join hands with the LGBTQI community in a show of support, we can begin to shift the norms, raise the awareness, and grow acceptance of the LGBTQI community. It's a beautiful start to make. Ask yourself a question. Why is it that as a culture we are more comfortable with two men holding guns than holding hands?
Hi, this is Dr. Harsh Yadav, sports director for the Club of Hinton Airoli. The first thing that hits my head when I hear the term bisexuality is that how they are harassed both physically and mentally in our society, which is dominated by heterosexuals. It's high time now that we, along with other social institutes like school, colleges, government facilities, and public places, start practicing safe places for these bisexuals so that they feel more comfortable and feel more inclusive in our mainstream society. Thank you.
Hey, it's Bisexual Visibility Day. It's so I won't be celebrated. It just means more chances to spread love around. To those who are lesbians, gay, transgender, let me say you are not alone. Your struggle for the end-to-end violence and discrimination is a shared struggle. Today I stand with you. A historic shift is underway. We must tackle the violence and end discrimination. We can overcome the obstacles by making them feel comfortable, by disclosing their bisexuality and give them the same exposure that we give to other people. The time has come, we must change and educate the world, and it's a crucial issue, but luckily the world and people, everyone is changing and expecting the changes around. So then we must acknowledge and celebrate this bisexuality day and in a mainstream way, and it's a great thing.
Bisexuality is beautiful and valid. It doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. If they like you, they like you.
हाय, इस सेलिब्रेट बाइसेक्सुअलिटी डे के मौके पर मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी कि हम सबको अधिकार है, हमें जिस तरीके से रहना है, जिनसे भी प्यार करना है, जैसे भी रहना है, हमें किसी की भी इंटरफेरेंस की ज़रूरत नहीं है इन सब मामले में. एंड देयर इज़ नो शेम, नथिंग रॉन्ग इन बीइंग अ बाइसेक्सुअल. And I'm proud to be an ally to all the bisexuals out there as well as the entire LGBTQIA plus community. So please don't be afraid, be yourself. आप जैसे हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत खूबसूरत है और वैसे ही रहिएगा. Thank you so much.
People often say that bisexuals are confused. People say that bisexuals are not sure whether they want to fall for a guy or whether they want to fall for a girl. But I want to ask something to you guys. Isn't love a basic right for all of us? Isn't it our basic right to love whoever we want to? I don't feel bisexuals are confused. It's just that society's perception is like that. Our society's mindset is like that. So, I wish all the bisexuals a very, very happy Bisexuality Day. Keep rocking, be whoever you are, and yes, lots and lots of love. Thank you.